Hi! In front of me is CUBOT King Kong 7, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. Begin by going into Settings and tapping on Display section right away. Following that, select Adaptive Brightness and click on Gray Sweater next to it in order to activate it. As you can see, my sweater is blue. That means that auto brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same now blue one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!